Welcome to the Den of Tools.
Howdy ho, guys and gals. It's Red, your friendly neighborhood tool bear, back again here with, yep, you guessed it, it's Monday, and that means deals of the week. Yeah, and don't worry, I'm pretty sure, I think I double checked that all of these deals can either be ordered by online, by phone, or you can get curbside pickup. So you can all stay safe, stay healthy out there. But let's jump into it real quick. But of course, before we do, we got to talk about what's going on over the Facebook page. Okay, just remember it's facebook.com/group/DoTDotW. Don't worry, links for everything are down below. And I just wanted to point out that there's the guys and gals over there. They've been finding these amazing deals, and we started off with a few. We call it the white unicorn and all this other stuff. But we found some other Lowe's. I don't know what it is with Lowe's. They're getting rid of all these boxes and stuff. Look at this one. This guy bought it originally 2 years ago. This is Indio. And 2 years ago, he got it for $200. Guys right now are finding it for $100. Look at that box. Is that not a thing of beauty? Can you give it for $100? $100. All right, I won't torment you anymore with the whole Facebook thing. But if you are on Facebook, go check it out. If not, you can still live vicariously through us here. So pressure washers. I don't know what it is. I do a video on pressure washers, and pressure washer sales come out of the woodwork. So Lowe's has got their Greenworks, the small portable, this is kind of your budget washer here for $79. Comes with their soap dispenser from Canon kind of thing over there. The CPO, yeah, we're dipping our toes back in CPO, seeing how they do, getting some feedback. So far, so good. So we're going to keep going as long as they keep holding up their end of the bargain. That said, I have no idea how to pronounce this. Quipall? I think it's called Quipall. 2000 PSI electric pressure washer with accessory kit and built-in detergent bottle for $99. I really like the hose reel on this. I think that is a great feature. It's dealing with the hose. That's the thing about these pressure washers. You got the electrical hose, you got the input hose, you got the output hose. Their hoses going everywhere, and getting hose reels on these things just makes everything more manageable. Plus, you get the concrete, washer down there, concrete floor, deck, whatever. You can use it for all sorts of stuff. That's a really nice little benefit. Turn around the back, you got some nice storage there for the electrical cord. It all just seems, and look, there's your different output nozzles on it. So you got all sorts of things you can do for $100 there. Over at Woot, now I admit this is a step up and kind of pricey, but it's a Honda. All right. And I know a lot of you guys, when you say you want gas powered, you want more power. A lot of people don't like the electric pressure washers. I get it. You can't complain when the bear brings you a Honda gas powered washer now this is factory refurbished. You got two models. We got a 3200 PSI and a 3000 PSI for between 230 and 250. Your choice. There's the red one there. These are going to be your, higher end kind of pressure washers. So if that's what you're looking for, we got that. Now, I just had to share this one. I don't know if this is a deal or anything, but could they have put more stuff on this thing? It's electric. It's got everything. Oh my gosh. They could possibly stack more things on this pressure washer. The other thing I'm going to say is you put all this work in getting all this stuff on it, and you put these piddly little wheels on it. Those things are going to snap off the first little seam of the concrete that they hit, which is a shame considering it looks like a pretty nice setup. All right, Northern Tool, bringing out the big boy. I know, $3,299. Somebody was asking, can you do hot water? This is your hot water pressure washer. If you're serious, you're doing large equipment, you're doing stuff in the winter, this is what you need, all right? This is the big daddy of them. So there you go. It's like, $200 off. So nice little savings on that. All right. It's springtime. I know it's hard to believe it's springtime. We're all locked up inside and such, but some places we still got snow. Some places it's hitting 80 degrees. The fact of the matter is, if the grass isn't growing now, it's going to be growing soon. It's going to be time for, I'm going to say it. It's going to be time for yard work. So we got three options here. This is from the local Ace, and I'm bringing this up because, supporting your local hardware stores right now is something that I think we should all consider doing because all the small businesses are having a hard time, and Ace is mostly a franchise store as I understand it. So you got local owners running these stores. Anyway, We've got Ego, which I'm used to seeing Ego as far as electric stuff. They've got their 56 volt self-propelled mower there. Let me get it all there on screen. So that's $500. Then you've got the trimmer, blower, and hedge trimmer package there. 56 volt for all of those for $229 or $199. Oh, sorry, I take that back. I thought that was a package deal. My bad. $229 for just the string trimmer, or the blower and the trimmer there for $199 each. Now, here's what really, this is the real reason I wanted to show this. This blew me away. Toro and steel in electric. Oh my gosh. Hell just froze over. This $95 each for the Toro 20 volt max. We got the lithium ion hedge trimmer. We got a string trimmer. We got a blower. Okay, Toro, I get it. But steel going electric. Oh my gosh. 56 battery powered. The BGA 56. It's, let me see here. Does it even tell us what the actual battery on this is? I don't see it. Maybe I'm missing it. I'm just going to move faster. We got $200 for the battery-powered handheld blower. We got $300 on the battery-powered chainsaw. And we've got $200 on the battery-powered string trimmer. I'm going to guess it's 56 volt. It doesn't say anything about it specifically. But I just had to share the fact that steel and Toro are now going electric as well. I'll tell you guys, gas's days are numbered. Don't hate the bear. I'm just the messenger. I'm not the one who makes these choices. All right. A lot of guys have been asking recently about Jobsite radios. And what do you think about this, that, and the other one? So I just thought I'd throw out a few other options here. These popped up. This is over on Woot. This is a discount clearance site. It's owned by Amazon. They can take a little while to ship, but you got Amazon behind them, so you do know that eventually you'll get it. And if not, Amazon will take care of it. Normally $80, 63% off, $29.99 on the Bosch 12 volt max lithium ion compact AM/FM radio with MP3 player connection bay. So I don't know if I'd balance mine on the bathtub there, but there you go. This is a nice, one of the smaller compact Jobsite radios. It's got I like the little bay there for putting the power charger and stuff in there. So you can plug it in and you can take it where you need to go. Now, other options. Acme Tools has got the M18 Jobsite radio. Normally $206. They get it on sale for $129. Again, we're going to have links to all this down below. Over on eBay, I found you this gem. I don't know if the 80s are calling or what, but look at this. Well, I guess the thing I liked about it kind of is you could also use it as like a side table on the job site or something. Put a piece of plywood over the top or whatnot. But it is a Stanley Jobsite radio for $22.99 plus $10 shipping. So basically $33 there. There you go. And then Zorro has this. Normally it's $43 over on Amazon there. This is going to be a smaller. This is a compact Jobsite radio from Makita for $38.26. And now Napa, I just want to let you guys know, Napa has this thing. If you sign up for their rewards, it doesn't cost you anything. You just sign up online. They're sending a $5 offer for when you buy anything online. So reward members get more. Sign up now and save. Get early access, exclusive deals, and a $5 bonus. So, in fact, if you're already a Napa Rewards member, if you complete your profile and fill out everything, you get the $5 bonus as well. All right, over at Northern Tool, they've got some great deals this week. We've got the clutch steel welding table with toolkit, 36-inch by 24-inch by 33 1/4 for $179.99. And again, this can it's in stores, but it can also be shipped as well. That's a nice little, simple, if you're like just getting into welding kind of table. It's modular height kind of thing for the bottom shelf there, so you can adjust it. You put a rack in there. Probably want to use sheet metal, not a piece of plywood if you're going to add a shelf in there. But, you do have that option there. And it comes with the clamps here and the modular kit there for holding down pieces and whatnot. It's a nice little setup for $180. I'm actually considering getting it. All right, back over to CPO. They've got the Makita. I'm a huge fan of this saw. I've had a saw like this for years and years and years. The Makita 500 7¼ inch circ saw, corded, for $100. Normally $130. I realize not the biggest deal, but man, you just can't go wrong with this saw. It is a good, solid workhorse of a circ saw. All right, back over at Acme Tools. We're throwing this one up here because somebody in the live stream last night said that they recently got one of these. They've been playing around with it. They say it's a beast. It's a tiny, tiny beast, they say. M18 Fuel Compact Router. This is the bare tool for $180 there. So if you're looking for a cordless router, the M18 Fuel, we know the M18 line is solid. We know the Fuel line has got tons of power. You're going to need that when it comes to dealing with a router. Many times you've heard the bear say, you don't really need brushless for this specific job. There are jobs that where you do want brushless. A router is one of those jobs. This is definitely, without a doubt, if you can get brushless, go brushless. And this is going to be probably the one you want if you're looking for something at that level. Speaking of brushless, we've got, and if you're going small, we got the M12 Fuel Surge hydraulic driver here for $149. Again, this is bare tool, and this is over at Ohio Power Tools. So we got the Milwaukee Fuel bare M12 for $149.02. And on top of that, we've got the Milwaukee M12 Fuel Stubby, again, for $179.03. Now, these have promo codes on them. Get 10% off select Milwaukee M12 bare tools. The promo code is listed right here. Again, I'm going to have links right to these pages so you can follow up on all of that if you're interested in those. All right, over on Amazon, I love this saw, all right? This is a great saw, and see it drop down in price from $379. It doesn't have the stand, but this is the Skill Saw Portable Worm Drive Table Saw. Now, I've heard some arguments that worm drive isn't as important on a table saw as it is on a hand saw. I really am not sure about the argument behind that. I'm going to have to look into it more. Maybe you can comment down below. Do you think worm drive is important when it comes to a table saw, or do you think it's only an issue on a handheld tool? And if so, why? Either way, great saw for $300. So that's a great deal, I think. It's, I would love to have. If I was going with a compact saw, I don't think you could go wrong with one of these, especially at that price. Now, over at the Home Despot, we've got rigid tool-only jigsaw. All right, so if you're in the rigid line, special buy $69.97, limit 5 per order. Okay, I don't want you can't order more than 5 of these. I realize it's a good deal, and we all get excited when it comes to jigsaws, but you can only get 5. All right. All right. All right, Irwin Vice Grip. I'm a big fan of Irwin. I'm not a fan of a lot of the stuff that Stanley Black & Decker does, but I've liked Irwin and Vice Grip for a long time, and I still think they have decent quality, especially for the price. And here we've got their Vice Grip Groove Lock Plier set 8-piece for $59.97. That's a pretty good deal. The list price on it is $152. So, we got basically some their copy of the Knipex Cobra pliers. We got an adjustable wrench. We got a lineman, needle nose, regular slip joint, and I think those are some side cutters there, and a nice roll-up bag. This seems like a great to-go kind of set. And still over on Amazon. Now, we talked about Rotary tools last week, and somebody said, hey, you got to check this out. This is Work Pro. This is their little portable tool set here, or accessory kit, if you will. This seems like a really nice, tidy little kit. You've got a bunch of stones and grinding pads, and you got all the little end bits and mill bits and such, a flap disc there, as well as this accessory box over here. And the accessory box snaps into the bottom, so you can have your to-go one, and you can have a second to-go one on that. But for $22.99, this seems like a pretty decent little set. All sorts of stuff that you would need with your rotary tool. If you're looking for a rotary tool setup, this seems like a great way to go. And as I said, if you come by the Sunday night tool talk, about half the time recently, someone from WorkPro has been popping in, so you can ask them a question about it. All right, well, there you go. That's the Bears deals of the week here from the Den of Tools. As you see, I'm out here in my forest retreat doing my self-isolating, doing my part to stay away from all of you folks. And I hope you're staying far away from, the rest of us and everyone else that you care about, because remember, it's not whether you feel bad or you feel sick or you're showing symptoms, because a lot of people are asymptomatic and they can still spread it. So let's all stay safe. Let's stay smart. Let's take care. And you know what? Don't forget to, if you can, support your local businesses. If it's curbside pickup, if it's ordering by phone and getting it shipped, just keeping the economy moving forward, because once this all clears up, we gotta get things ramped up, and the less we can let things fall by the wayside now, then hopefully the more we can do later on, or the faster we can rebound later on. That said, I do understand that a lot of you are out of work, and our thoughts and our prayers are with you, also with those of our family. We have several members here in the Den who have been tested positive and who are suffering and going through this. And our thoughts are again with you, and our prayers each and every night we're thinking of you. So we wish you all and pray for you all a speedy recovery. You all take care, stay safe, God bless, and as always, shine on.